Once upon a cosmic time, in a galaxy far, far away, Astro Boy here, welcoming you to Shayan's Space School. Today, my little space explorers, we have a tale that'll take you on a stellar journey through the vastness of the universe. Picture this, planets getting a bit bored with their usual routine of orbiting around the sun. What do? They decide to play a game, a celestial makeover game. Cue the mischievous planets gathering together, eyes twinkling with excitement. Each planet takes its turn replacing the sun with a new and unique star. Little did they know, this game would turn into a cosmic comedy. First up was Sirius, the dazzling superstar of the galaxy. Sirius is known for its bright, twinkling light that guides explorers in the night sky. As Sirius took its place, the inner planets felt a burst of heat. Mercury exclaimed, "Who turned up the thermostat?" Venus and Mars agreed, but Jupiter, with its newfound water-filled moons, said, "I'm loving this spa treatment." Next in line was Pollux, a friendly star that loves to chat with its neighboring planets. Pollux brought a warm and cozy glow, making the inner planets feel toasty. Arcturus followed, a giant star with a warm heart. Mercury and Venus warned the others that the next star might bring doom. Saturn, with its majestic rings, chuckled and said, "Nice! Titan is now the coolest spot in town." Polaris took its turn, a steady and reliable star often used for navigation. Mercury, feeling a bit dramatic, sighed, "Just kill me already." Earth grumbled, "Is this seriously my North Star?" Meanwhile, Saturn's rings went on a wild wipeout ride. Rigel, the hotshot of the stellar lineup, a blue supergiant shining brightly in the night sky, made Mercury bid farewell. Deneb followed suit, the star with a dazzling personality, making Mercury, Venus, and Earth a bit sad with its cosmic vibes. Then came Pistol Star, a powerhouse of energy with bursts of light and heat, wiping out the inner planets. Antares turned up the heat, a red supergiant making Uranus reach a scorching 1200K. Betelgeuse joined the party, a massive star with a penchant for fireworks, making Uranus too hot to handle. Vy Canis Majoris, the gigantic star, took center stage, leaving only Saturn and its rings intact. Pluto, the tiny outsider, whispered, "How big are these stars?" And Pluto replied with a shrug, "I don't know." Vy Canis approached, a hypergiant star that likes to take up a lot of space. Saturn, feeling exhausted, mumbled, "I hope this is the last star." But the cosmic journey continued with RSGC 218, the quasi-star, the star that's not your average star, and Eta Carinae, a binary star system dancing through space, each bringing its own twist to the celestial tale. As the planets danced through the stellar parade, they encountered various stars, from the majestic WRR 136A1, a young and massive star, to the familiar warmth of the Sun. The planets were relieved to compare the Sun with the previous stars, finding comfort in its familiar glow. Then, in a burst of twinkling lights, the planet stumbled upon the average K-type star. Mercury rolled its eyes and said, "Well, aren't you just averagely warm?" Venus added, "Not too hot, not too cold, just your average star." The average F-type star chimed in, "Hey, I'm average too, but I've got a bit more flair." The planets chuckled at its stellar confidence. The average A-type star joined the stellar party, saying, "I may be average, but I've got some serious star power." The planets nodded, appreciating its enthusiasm. The average O-type star swooped in, boasting, "I'm hot stuff, but not as hot as some others." Jupiter laughed, "At least you're not turning my moons into hot tubs like some stars did." The average L-type star appeared, bringing a cooler breeze. "I'm the laid-back star, not too hot, not too bright," it said with a cosmic grin. The average Y-type star wiggled into the scene, "I'm the youngest of the bunch, cool and mysterious." The planets giggled at its stellar adolescence. The average Q-type star strutted in, exclaiming, "I'm the quirky star in this cosmic comedy." The planets couldn't help but find it amusing. The average red giant star waltzed in with a big belly, saying, "I'm on my way to becoming a cosmic heavyweight." The planets admired its stellar transformation. The average C-type star, feeling a bit chilly, shivered, "I'm cool but not too flashy." The planets wrapped themselves in cosmic blankets, appreciating its chill vibes. And then, a hypothetical star that was bigger than all the stars they had encountered so far made a grand entrance. The planets gawked at its immense size, and even Saturn, with its mighty rings, felt a bit small in comparison. The hypothetical star boomed, "I'm so big that I make the other stars look like tiny specks in the cosmic playground." The planets burst into laughter, realizing that sometimes, bigger isn't always better. After this stellar comedy of replacements, the planets unanimously agreed that the Sun was truly one of a kind. They happily resumed their usual orbits, grateful for the familiar warmth and light, and shared cosmic tales of their amusing adventures for eons to come. And that, my little space explorers, wraps up our cosmic journey for today at Shayan's Space School. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and may your universe always be filled with twinkling stars!